Karthik is joining us from Vasant Vihar. Kabir is joining us live from New Delhi. Yash Goyal from Greater Kailash. And Deepak Badana live from Jangpura. Now, Yash, let me come to you. Tell us what's the mood there on the ground and, of course, the heightened security so that nothing untoward happens, especially at the polling booths today.
Well, Sakshi, a stormy beginning to the voting here in Greater Kailash. The incumbent MLA Saurabh Bhardwaj from the Aam Aadmi Party was here just few minutes back, and a ruckus was panned out over here the moment the voting began here in Chirag, Delhi to be particular. Saurabh Bhardwaj alleges that the voting machines inside have been kept in dark, and also he alleges that the police has done unnecessary barricading to cordon off this area and to slow down the voting in the strongholds of the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, he had a small altercation and some sort of a spat with the police officials over here too. In fact, I'll give you a glimpse exactly what transpired over here. I'll ask my camera person Rahul to pan the camera and show you. So Saurabh Bhardwaj alleged that some areas were barricaded unnecessarily, like this barricade earlier was put in place to slow down, he says, to slow down the people for movement and to move towards the polling booth, which is over there. So this is an allegation which has been made by Saurabh Bhardwaj. But right now, to be particular, I'm coming to you from Chirag, Delhi. This comes under the Greater Kailash constituency, and in fact, you can see in the visuals that heavy police barricading and police deployment over here, and the voters have already started to come in and cast their vote. Since morning, we've been seeing a steady influx of voter in this particular constituency, and we'll try and get in a word from some of the voters over here also. What is happening continuously that वोट डाल दिया आपने? दिखाइए एक बार, उंगली तो दिखाइए, कहाँ शाही कहाँ लगाई है? अच्छा, so किन मुद्दों पे वोट डाला इस बार आपने?
मुद्दा तो सबसे पहले तो महंगाई है। महंगाई में क्या है दिक्कत, हम लोगों को, गरीब आदमी को, बाहरी आदमी को ये हो जाता है, यहाँ हर चीज़ का कोई भी चीज़ जो हम सबको सुविधा मिलना चाहिए वो नहीं मिल पाता है। हम कितना कुछ कर लें, रहना वही है, बस यही मुद्दा है हमारा।
तो आपका जो प्रमुख मुद्दा इस बार रहा वो महंगाई रहा। So Sakshi, you can see everyone has different issues on which they vote, and this time around, like we spoke with this gentleman, he categorically said that महंगाई and is one of the issues on which he cast his vote this time around in the Delhi Assembly polls. Back to you.